Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the MyVanilla Prepaid Debit Visa card. And more specifically, we're going to see if we can add our Vanilla Prepaid Debit card into Amazon, our Amazon app, as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the MyVanilla Prepaid Debit card, it's definitely one of the more popular prepaid cards on the market right now. Basically what it is, you just buy these little cards at a local retailer. I bought this one at CVS. Once you buy this card and then you load cash, green cash onto it, then you can use it at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. But can you use it in your Amazon app as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. It's this white one with a blue shopping cart on it. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. All right, so here is the home screen. And here on the home screen of the Amazon app, you can go ahead and click right here to start searching for things to buy. You can also look right here. There's a lot of different, looks like advertisements on the Amazon app, and then more general deals down here, I guess. But we're not going to worry about that. If you want to try to add a new payment method into your Amazon app, you want to click right here on the top left, these three little lines. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then this drop-down menu happens. Here on this drop-down menu, you can go ahead and click here to view your existing orders on Amazon and check the status of those. You can also click here and for buy again if you want to order something you've previously ordered on the Amazon app. But where you want to click is right here on your account. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines down from the top. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, once you click there, then this screen pops up, which has a lot of various tiles. So here's the orders tile, account settings tile, but you want to keep scrolling down until you get to this one called Amazon Wallet. This is where you can update your payment options and payment methods. And that's going to be the first link right here on the top called Manage Payment Options. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, so here on this screen, you can see your purchase preferences. So that way you can see your primary shipping address along with the primary credit card attached to your account. But down here, you want to go ahead and look at this section. It's called Manage Payment Options. This is where you can add another debit card. What you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down now. All right, I went ahead and scrolled all the way to the bottom, and then right here is where you want to look. It's this line right here. It's kind of easy to pass over, but it's called Add a Payment Method. And you want to go ahead and click this little arrow right here to the right of that. I'm going to click there now. All right, next Amazon is asking for my name and then the 16-digit card number from the MyVanilla Prepaid Debit card and expiration date. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all that information in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. Next, you want to go ahead and click on this yellow button right here. It's called Add Your Card. I'm going to click there now. All right, next Amazon is asking for the billing address for my MyVanilla Prepaid Debit Visa card. Now, the billing address is going to be the card that you use to register this card. If you haven't registered yet, be sure to go back to my other video that shows how to activate this card and register it. But it's usually going to be your mailing address or your home address that you used. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that address and then click continue. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then this screen popped back up that shows my purchase preferences and payment options. And it looks like, yes, you can use MyVanilla Prepaid Debit Visa card on the Amazon app as a payment method. As you can see right here, this green line popped up. It says payment method added. I did verify the last 4 digits that are listed on the app along with what's on this plastic card. If you were not able to add your MyVanilla Prepaid Debit card into your Amazon app for some reason as a payment method, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it shouldn't be a problem at all. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.